In this video, you'll learn how to add a Gmail button to Google Chrome in just a few minutes so you can access your inbox instantly with a single click. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account, since this is what allows the Gmail integration to work seamlessly across your browser and devices. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store by typing chrome.google.com/webstore in the address bar. Once you're there, use the search bar in the top left to look for Gmail or Checker Plus for Gmail extension. Now, click on the official Gmail extension or any trusted Gmail checker tool from the results. Then, click the blue Add to Chrome button in the top right corner of the extension page to start the installation. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to give Chrome permission to install it. Within seconds, the Gmail button will appear in your toolbar, right next to your address bar. Once it's installed, click the Gmail icon in your toolbar to open your inbox in a pop-up or a new tab. You can also right-click the icon to access settings, customize notifications, and manage multiple accounts at once. And that's it. Your Gmail is now just one click away in Chrome, making your workflow faster and your inbox always within reach.